verses 32 to 38. Verse 32. The lotus named Ajna is like the moon, beautifully white. On its two petals are the letters Ha and Kasha, which are white and enhance its beauty. It shines with the glory of Dhyana. Inside it is the Shakti Hakini, whose 6 faces are like so many moons. She has 6 arms, in one of which she holds a book. 2 others are lifted up in the gestures of dispelling fear and granting boons, and with the rest she holds a skull, a small drum, and a rosary. Her mind is pure, Shuddha, Chitta. Verse 33. Within this lotus dwells the subtle mind, Manas. It is well known. Inside the yoni, in the pericarp, is the Shiva called Itara, in his phallic form. He shines like a chain of lightning flashes, the first bija of the Vedas, which is the abode of the most excellent Shakti, and which, by its luster, makes visible the Brahma Sutra, is also there. The Sadak, with steady mind, should meditate upon these according to the order prescribed. Verse 34. The excellent Sadak, whose Atma is nothing but a meditation on this lotus, is able quickly to enter another's body at will and becomes the most excellent among munis and all-knowing and all-seeing. He becomes the benefactor of all and versed in all the Shastras. He realizes his unity with the Brahman and acquires excellent and unknown powers. Full of fame and long-lived, he ever becomes the creator, destroyer of the 3 worlds. Verse 35. Within the triangle, in this chakra, ever dwells the combination of letters which form the pranav. It is the inner Atma, as pure mind, buddhi, and resembles a flame in its radiance. Above it is the half-crescent moon, and above this, again, is Kara, shining in its form of Bindu. Above this is Nada, whose witness equals that of Balarama and diffuses the rays of the moon. Verse 36. When the yogi closes the house which hangs without support, the knowledge whereof he has gained by the service of Param Guru, and when the chetas by repeated practice becomes dissolved in this place, which is the abode of uninterrupted bliss, he then sees within the middle of and in the space above the triangle sparks of fire distinctly shining. Verse 37. He then also sees the light, which is in the form of a flaming lamp. It is lustrous, like the clearly shining morning sun, and glows between the sky and the earth. It is here that the Bhagavan manifests himself in the fullness of his might. He knows no decay and witnesseth all, and it is here as he is in the region of fire, moon, and sun. Verse 38. This is the incomparable and delightful abode of Vishnu. The excellent yogi at the time of death joyfully places his vital breath prana here and enters after death that supreme, eternal, birthless, primeval Deva, the Purusha, who was before the 3 worlds and who is known by the Vedanta.